sinabit na raw po sila sa inyo na high profile na case about sa flood control?
Well, as far as I can reveal, no, a manifestation was given by the DPWH through Secretary Vince Dizon, now impleading Mr. Curly Discaya in the same case, no, sa Davao Occidental, where his wife is also already impleaded. So, nagkaroon po ng revelation dun sa mga affidavits ng iba't ibang tao na si Curly Discaya ang may beneficial ownership or nag-exercise po ng control dun sa mga kumpanya na sangkot dito sa Davao Occidental na kaso.
Elaborate kung siya yung nagsasign, mga gano'n?
Yes, when you say beneficial ownership po, kasama po yan lahat, no? Either they're the ones that sign on behalf of the corporations kahit wala po sila sa papel. Sila po ay umuutos or nagbibigay ng mga instructions sa mga tao doon sa kumpanya, exercising dominion over the company essentially, no? So kahit wala po sila sa papel, they are the ultimate beneficial owners of the company. At yan po ang isang challenge, no, sa amin na hindi naman siguro lahat ng tao linalagay ho nila yung pangalan nila mismo sa korporasyon. Kaya kailangan muna namin tignan yung kabuuan ng kwento at tignan kung meron talaga nagpapalikod ng mga korporasyon na ito na sangkot sa flood control projects. And that's one of the challenges that we have to overcome. Buti na lang po, merong mga taong magsasabi na from inside the company na itong mga tao na ito ay talagang ang beneficial owner at yung ang nagpapatakbo ng mga company na ito.
Sir, how will that work po? Isasama po si Curly dun sa nakafile ng kaso or it's another case po na
The process po there is we will ask them to go through preliminary investigation. Pag meron po kasing na-implead na bago, given na may John Doe, Jane Doe sa mga kaso natin, i-implead ngayon, no? Pero ang proseso dito muna sa Office of the Ombudsman. Again, we have to give them due process as well. First time ito makikita ni Mr. Discaya na meron palang ganitong allegation. Kaya kailangan muna namin siya pasagutin muna.
So just the nature of documents that Secretary Vince submitted, kahit general lang, you don't want to reveal the specifics.
Affidavits. Affidavits from those who know how the operations are run in St. Timothy.
Sir, magsasama na sila. 60 days ka rin, sir, to resolve?
No, based on the revised rules, no, the periods are shorter. So, actually, yung pagsagot nila, I believe it's 10 days to reply to the complaint affidavit. So after that, whether they reply or not, now the prosecution can already determine whether there is prima facie case with reasonable certainty of conviction.
Hindi naman to, sir, given na
Yung alin?
yung conclusion.
What do you mean?
Mag-asawa sila, tapos they're on the same...
Well, again, you really have to look at the affidavits, no? We cannot conclude kung ano talaga ang participation without seeing the real facts. Kaya, syempre, we have to give them the benefit of the doubt at this point, no? It will be up to the panel of prosecutors para makita kung meron ba talagang kinalaman si Curly Discaya. I cannot speak for the panel as of right now dahil dadaan pa po yan sa proseso.
Sir, as sa Davao Occidental, parang may nabanggit